Namaskar. I am Suren Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you for our daily weather briefing program today, that is 9th November 2021. As observed rainfall during past 24 hours ended at 8:30 hours IST of today, Tamil Nadu has experienced heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places, and Kerala heavy rainfall during past 24 hours. Tamil Nadu has experienced maximum 12 centimeter rainfall over Chingpatlu and Kanyakumari 9 centimeter, Puducherry 8 centimeter, Kanchipuram 7 centimeter, and Kerala Kottayam 10 centimeter, Kollam 9 centimeter. Now we are talking about cyclonic system of today. Yesterday depression over Arabian Sea has become less marked as well marked low pressure area, and under the influence of cyclonic circulation over southeast Bay of Bengal, a low has formed over the same region, and it is likely to become more marked, concentrated to depression during next 24 hours, and it is likely to cross North Tamil Nadu coast on 11th morning. And a trough is also there from the low pressure area to Gulf of Mannar, which is extend up to 5.8 kilometer. Now here we can see the influence under the influence of cyclonic circulation over southeast Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area has formed over the same region. It is likely to concentrate into a depression over southwest and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal during next 36 hours. It is likely to move west northwestward and reach near North Tamil Nadu coast by early morning of 11th November 2021. Under its influence, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall with isolated extremely heavy fall very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal during 9 to 11 and over south coastal Andhra Pradesh on 11th November. And heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places also very likely over Kerala and Mahe during 9 to 11 and over south coastal Andhra Pradesh on 10th and Rayalaseema during 10th 11th November 2021. Easterly weather is expected over the southwest, adjoining west central, along and of south Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu coast, Gulf of Mannar during next 4 days, and over southeast Arabian Sea along and of Kerala coast during next 24 hours. So fishermen are also advised not to venture into this area for a specific period. Now we are talking about weather warning for next 5 days due to the low pressure over southeast Bay of Bengal, which is likely to move Tamil Nadu coast. Tamil Nadu likely to experience heavy to very heavy with isolated extremely fall during next 3 days, especially over northern parts of Tamil Nadu. And including this, coastal Andhra Pradesh is also likely experience heavy to very heavy rainfall on day 2, that is 10th November, and extremely heavy fall at isolated places over south coastal Andhra Pradesh on 11th, that is day 3. Thereafter, it will reduce, and over the Kerala during next 3 days likely to experience very heavy rainfall and reduction thereafter. Here we can see clearly no adverse weather likely to affect over the country except the southern peninsula and Andaman Nicobar during the forecast period. And for low minimum temperature is likely to no large change during next 2 days and fall thereafter 2 to 3 degree centigrade over most part of northwest India and adjoining Madhya Pradesh. Now we are talking about the fisherman warning. As I earlier told, due to the formation of low over Bay of Bengal, southwest west central Bay of Bengal during next 4 days, along and of Tamil Nadu and South Andhra Pradesh coast during next 4 days. Now we are talking about the especially over Tamil Nadu region. Here we can indicate so see the north coastal district, especially Valupuram, Puducherry, Kadalur, Karikal, Nagapattinam, Tarvarur, Tanjavur is likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 24 hours and thunderstorm activity most part of the state. Now we are talking about day 2. The red color shows the extremely heavy rainfall is likely to affect in these regions, especially coastal district, Valipuram, Kadalur, Karaikal, Nagapattinam, Tarurur, Tanjavur, Sivaganga, Ramanathapuram, and orange color shows heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 24 hours. Red color rainfall will be happen more than 20 centimeter. And day 3, due to the movement of northwest of that low pressure area, day 3 will affected over northern parts of Tamil Nadu, especially Tarvalur, Chennai, Changalapatnam, Kanchipuram, Tirunmalai, Vallupuram. Red color is rainfall will likely more than 20 centimeter. And heavy to very heavy rainfall is also over interior Tamil Nadu, especially adjoining Kerala, Nilgiri, Coimbatore, Tirupur, and Salem, Kalka, Richi is likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall on 11th during 11th 8:30 hours to 12 8:30. Thereafter, rainfall will reduce. Heavy rainfall at isoplaces likely to affect especially over coastal, north coast district and interior district. On day 5 is likely to one or two districts over Nilgiri and Coimbatore. For latest update, you can visit our website imd mosam.imd.gov.in and our many social media platform, including this for special Tamil Nadu or southern peninsula India. You can visit our RMC website rmcchennai.imd.gov for latest information and warning. Thank you very much.